How can I troubleshoot the Ring offline problem and reconnect my Ring device to the internet?
Hello, and welcome to today's video on troubleshooting Ring offline problems. The Ring device can sometimes go offline due to issues like power loss, internet outages, or even Wi-Fi connectivity issues. But no worries. Today, we'll go step by step on how to fix this issue and reconnect your Ring device to the internet. Remember, patience is key in the process.
Is your Ring device powered on?
The first thing you need to check is whether your Ring device is powered on. If it's a battery-powered device, make sure the battery is not dead. Charge the battery if necessary, or replace it if it's worn out.
Is your internet connection working?
Once you've confirmed that your Ring device is powered on, the next step is to check your internet connection. Sometimes, the issue could simply be that your Wi-Fi network is down. You can check your internet connection by trying to connect other devices to the Wi-Fi. If other devices are having trouble too, you may need to reset your router or contact your internet service provider.
Is your Ring device connected to the right Wi-Fi network?
If your internet is working fine, ensure that your Ring device is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. You can check this through the Ring app. If it's connected to the wrong network, you'll need to reconfigure your Ring device to the right network. This can be done through the device settings on the Ring app.
Are the Wi-Fi settings correct?
The Wi-Fi settings on your Ring device also need to be correct for it to function properly. This includes the Wi-Fi network name and password. Ensure these details are correct in the Ring app. If they're incorrect, update the Wi-Fi settings accordingly.
Have you tried a hard reset?
If none of the above steps work, your last resort may be to perform a hard reset on your Ring device. You can do this by pressing and holding the setup button on the device for about 15 seconds until it restarts. After the device restarts, you can then reconfigure the device settings using the Ring app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the Ring offline problem and get your device back online. Remember, if you're still experiencing issues after these steps, it might be time to contact Ring customer service for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful, and thank you for watching.